Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to understand what is ServiceNow client script, what is the purpose of ServiceNow client script, and what are the types of ServiceNow client scripts that we can use in ServiceNow. After that, we are going to see the uses of ServiceNow client script. In this, we are going to discuss some of the uses of ServiceNow client script, where we can use different types of ServiceNow client script. And at last, we are going to see the areas where we can use the ServiceNow client script. Okay, there are different areas where we can use the ServiceNow client script. So let's begin with what is ServiceNow client script. ServiceNow client scripting means a JavaScript program will run on the client side, means on the user's web browser. It will run when a client-based events will occur or a browser-based events will occur. Events can be like loading of a form, submission of the form, or there is a change in the field value of the form. So these are the events, and according to which we are going to use different kinds of ServiceNow client scripts. Now, what is the purpose of ServiceNow client script? The purpose of ServiceNow client script is to reduce the amount of time taken by a user to fill up a form. So this is the purpose of ServiceNow client script, to reduce the amount of time to complete a form by users. A well-designed client script can definitely provide you this particular functionality so that the user doesn't face any issue while filling up a form in ServiceNow. There are different types of ServiceNow client scripts available, like on load, on change, on cell edit, on submit. And with the words itself, you can understand that when to use which client script. So when the form is loading, you have to use the on load. When there is a change in the field value of a form, use the on change. On-cell edit is a bit different. It is going to be used when you're making a change to the value of a field in the list view of a record. On submit means when the form is getting submitted, then you have to use the on submit ServiceNow client script. Now let's see some of the uses of ServiceNow client script. We can use ServiceNow client script for auto-populating the data into the form before the form is being loaded, so that the user has to fill less number of fields on the form. This can be achieved with the help of onload ServiceNow client script. We can make fields validation, like make a field mandatory, make a field read-only. This can be achieved with the help of ServiceNow client script. We can change the behavior of fields depending on the behavior of other fields. So if there is a change in a particular field and you want to make other fields hidden, visible, mandatory, read-only because of that particular change on the fields, then this functionality can be achieved with the help of onChange ServiceNow client script. We can put the validation on the field's value in list view interface of records of table. So if the user is not making a change on the form record of a table, the user is making a change in the list view interface of records of table, then also we can use the ServiceNow client script, that is on cell edit. We can alert the user, provide message to the user, check the user input when the form is getting submitted, and if the user input is not correct, then we can alert them, fill up that particular field, do some changes on the form. This all can be done with the help of on submit client script. So these were some of the uses of ServiceNow client script. Let's see some of the areas where we can write the ServiceNow client script in ServiceNow. We can write the ServiceNow client script, in catalog client script. This will be available for service catalog and variable sets only. In wizard client script, in UI policy, and in UI script. UI script is the reusable code that we can call from the ServiceNow client script. So if you think that there is a functionality that has to be repeated again and again, then there is no need of creating multiple similar ServiceNow client script. What we can do is that we can make a UI script, write that ServiceNow client script code in that particular UI script record, and that's how we are following the principle of try. Don't repeat yourself. We should not repeat our code again and again. Okay? Instead, create it somewhere and call it again and again. So these are some of the areas where we can use the ServiceNow client script. So this was the end of the video. If you like this video, do share the videos with others. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.